At this point, this is like take 3, to be honest. I've done like 3 sets of flat twisting in the month of July and I'm pretty much over it. So we are coming to you barefaced, tired. But I'm going to be showing you guys a very detailed look, a very detailed tutorial on how I flat twist my hair. Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, my name is Rosa and welcome to therapy. In today's video, I'm going to give you a detailed flat twisting video. I know I just uploaded a flat twisting video, but like I said in that one, I did not zoom in. I did not get the best footage to really show you guys how I flat twist. And so I promised you another one and here it is. So without further ado, we're gonna hop into this tutorial. Definitely let me know if you find this one helpful. Yeah, and let's get into it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that my hair ended up coming out really flaky and I ended up redoing it in the middle of the week. So that's where most of this footage is from. Yeah, and then these are the results from the first time, the flaky time. And then you guys will see the results of the second time around at the end of this video. Alright, so here we go. I am wetting my hair. You want your hair damp but not too wet or else it's going to take forever to dry. So once you have it wet, I'm grabbing a cream. I like to use a curl cream or a leave-in, something that's going to help moisturize my hair and lock in that water we just applied. In this case, I think I'm using a 4-in-1 styler. And so I use a cream or a leave-in conditioner that's moisturizing, and then I like to use a medium hold to strong hold gel, depending on how long I want the style to last. This is just so that you can make sure that the curls are going to, hold and not fall. So once you have those products worked in, you want to detangle, and then we're going to start the twisting process. So when it comes to twisting, I like to think of it as you have one hand that's like your anchor that, is holding either strand in the process, and then you have the hand that's doing most of the work. In my case, I'm going to be parting with my right hand, which is on the left side of your screen, and my left hand, which is on the right side of your screen, is what is my anchor hand. It's going to hold the hair. So don't worry, I'm going to show you another clip. I just want to let you understand what it is I'm doing as well as seeing it. So in this case, like I said, I'm doing a flat twist and curl. So I'm going to twist it down just a little bit more, and then I'm going to add the perm rod on the end. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. You can just continue to 2-strand twist down and you'll be good to go. But I just wanted to show you, if you were curious, how I put my hair on the perm rod. So I like to wrap my ends on the perm rod first, and then once they are secure, I'm going to start to twirl my hair around the perm rod. And you always want the rubber band to be right on top of your hair. You don't want it to be under it, or it's going to loosen the perm rod that you just installed. So let me show you again. So my hair is already moisturized and detangled, and we are ready to start twisting. I'm going to grab my 2 pieces at the top of that section. And remember, my right hand is the hand that is parting the little sections as we go down and twist the hair. So that is what you're going to see. And then my left hand is the one that's just holding the hair as I switch them and twist it down. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit right here for you guys, just so you can really see what I mean. And that's the only difference. Like, I'm still twisting my hair the same way I would a 2-strand twist. The only difference is before I cross the hairs, I am parting a little bit more of hair into the twist, and then I'm going to twist and cross the hair and repeat as I go down. And that, I like to do the little parting thing because when you take it out, it makes it a lot easier to separate your hair without causing a lot of frizz. So I'm going to show you guys a couple more clips of me flat twisting. Like I said, that's going to be detailed, so I want you guys to really be able to see and get enough examples so that you can feel confident enough to try it on yourself. And even to this day, I have to reteach myself if it's been a while. You know, it's not going to be something you grasp right away. It takes practice. You have to give it different tries, try different techniques. This is the way that works for me. So this technique may not work for you, but you won't know until you give it a try. So this is my hair once it's all twisted up, and this really gives you a good opportunity to see my twisting pattern and the way that I part my hair. When it comes to flat twisting, I like to flat twist my hair in the direction that I want it to lay once it's unraveled. So yeah, once my hair is all twisted up, I grab some oil. I like this oil by one of my girlfriends, Deidre Forever. It's a really nice thick oil with good ingredients. So I'm going to use that to seal in everything that I apply to my hair. And then I'm going to let these dry. I would definitely suggest at least 24 hours. Depending on how long your hair is, you may need more time. I ended up, when I redid this style, I did not give it enough time to dry, and the pieces in the front, the twists in the front were still a little damp. So that contributed to some frizz. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the takedown process. All right, take two. Takedown part two. Doing this again, basically. That's what it comes down to. So I'm going to start by taking out all of her knots. So I'm going to find the end of the twist and separate those two strands carefully. I like to keep my curl at the bottom elongated and as straight as possible. It just helps unraveling it. So I'm going to simply uncross and find that strand that we parted, that we separated. Find that, gently separate it from the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to twirl my finger around it to adjust the curl at the end. And that's basically what I'm going to do throughout my hair to unravel these twists. I'm going to untwist it in the opposite direction that we twisted it, find the separated curl from that strand, gently separate it, and then twirl it around my finger. And that's why I, emphasize that parting part as you install your flat twist. It really helps in the unraveling process, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you guys a couple more clips of how I unravel, and yeah, I'll show you my final results. So these are the final results of the flat twist and curl. Definitely way less flaking than the last time. I do have a lot more frizz up front because it was about 3 of them. The 3 chunkier ones in the front, they were not quite dried, but at this point it's Thursday. I don't care. I'm probably washing my hair this weekend. Actually, I know I'm washing my hair this weekend, so I just wanted to restyle my hair for you guys, basically. Show you how to flat twist and get some good results, not flaky results. But yeah. Curls are cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it really helps some of you grasp the idea of flat twisting. And yeah, definitely leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful. And I will see you guys in my next video.